Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Umi Sariti. I'm from class management 24C with numbers student 12421 On this occasion, I will discuss about consumer protection, ensuring fairness and safety. Okay, let's get straight to it. Introduction. Consumer protection is one of the most important foundations of a fair and trustworthy marketplace. It plays a vital role in ensuring that consumers are protected from deceptive, unfair, or dangerous business practices that will harm their rights, safety, or financial well-being. Through strong consumer protection, people can feel confident when purchasing products or using services, knowing that there are laws and systems in place to safeguard their interests. It covers a wide range of policy, regulation, and enforcement action that aim to maintain fairness, transparency, and safety in every business transaction. This protection not only prevents dishonest practice but also encourages companies to act ethically and responsibly toward their consumers. In this presentation, we will discuss the key principle of consumer protection, the common problem faced by consumers today, and the law that guarantee their rights. We will also look at practical strategies that consumers can use to protect themselves more effectively. Overall, this topic highlights how consumer protection is essential for building trust and ensuring that every individual can act safely and confidently in the marketplace. Okay, let's get it. An introduction to consumer protection. What is definition and importance? Consumer protection refers to a comprehensive system of law, policies, and strategies designed to uphold consumer rights and ensure fair trade practice. It serves as a safeguard that prevents businesses from taking advantage of consumers and promotes transparency in every commercial transaction. Through this protection, consumers are guaranteed fair treatment, accurate information, and access to safe products and services. This concept is not only about protecting individual consumers, but also about maintaining the overall integrity of the marketplace. When transparency and fairness are upheld, both consumer and business benefit. Companies gain the trust and loyalty of their customer, while customers can make purchasing decisions with confidence and a clear understanding of what they are buying. In a broader sense, consumer protection also helps safeguard public health and safety. It ensures that products meet quality standards and that misleading or harmful practices are prevented before they cause damage. Ultimately, strong consumer protection systems create a fairer, safer, and more sustainable marketplace, one with on trust, accountability, and respect between all parties involved. And then next, consumer rights and responsibility. Consumers have several fundamental rights that protect them and allow them to participate confidently in the marketplace. These rights include the right to access safe and high quality products, the right to receive truthful, clear, and complete information, and the right to be treated fairly and respectfully by businesses. With this protection in place, consumers can make purchasing decisions based on accurate knowledge rather than deception or research. However, protection alone is not enough. Consumers also have important responsibility. They are expected to actively seek accurate information before making a purchase, to use product and service properly, and to report any defect, fraud, or unfair practice they encounter. By fulfilling this responsibility, consumers have maintaining fairness and accountability in the market. This balance between right and responsibility builds a healthier relationship between buyer and seller. It promotes transparency, strengthens trust, and ensures that both parties contribute to a fair and ethical trading environment. In the end, a marketplace that value both consumer protection and responsibility benefit everyone, consumer, businesses, and society as a whole. Next, role of government and agencies. Government play a central and vital role in ensuring consumer protection. It is responsible for creating strong law and clear regulation that safeguard consumer interests and promote fairness in business practice. This law sets clear standards for companies to follow, ensuring that products are safe, advertisements are honest, and all transactions remain fair and transparent. To ensure that these rules are applied effectively, regulatory agencies are established to monitor business operation and enforce compliance. They investigate complaints, evaluate business conduct, and take action when customer rights are violated. Through their continuous oversight, these agencies help maintain order and accountability within the market. In addition to enforcement, they also provide important public services such as managing consumer complaints, also dispute and imposing penalties on violators. This function not only protect individuals but also strengthen overall public trust. Through these combined efforts, government and agencies help with a marketplace that is fair, transparent, and safe for everyone. Their work support both economic stability and public welfare by ensuring that business act responsibly and consumers remain confident in their transactions. Next common consumer issue, fraud and scam. Fraud and scam have become major challenge for consumers in today's marketplace. This unethical practice include misleading advertisement, identify the online payment fraud, and the scale of counterfeit goods. Such actions not only cause financial loss but also damages consumer confidence and create fear when making purchases. With the rise of digital transactions, scams have become more creative and harder to detect, making awareness even more important. Consumers can protect themselves by staying alert and verifying every detail before completing a transaction. It is wise to check product authenticity, confirm seller credibility, and read review from other buyers. Avoiding link from you know search and never sharing personal or banking information with unverified parties are also important step in staying safe. Awareness and vigilance are the most effective defense against fraud. Educated consumers are less likely to fall victim to scam because they understand how to identify warning signs and act responsibly. Government agencies and consumer organizations also play an important role by educating the public and enforcing strict penalty against fraudulent business. In essence, fighting fraud requires both strong legal system and active consumer participation. When individuals stay informed and courteous, they not only protect themselves but also have pride, a safer and more trustworthy marketplace for everyone. And then unsure product. Unsure products are one of the most serious issues in consumer protection because they directly threaten public health and safety. This product may include food, medicine, cosmetic, electric appliances, or children toys that fail to meet safety standards. When such products reach the market, they can cause physical harm, illness, or even long-term health problems of consumers. To prevent these risks, government and regulator agencies establish strict safety regulations that every manufacturer and distributor must follow. This standard ensures that products are properly tested, labeled, and monitored before being sold to the public. However, violations still occur when companies ignore safety procedures or use harmful material to reduce costs. In the case, quick action is necessary to protect consumers from further harm. Consumers also have an important role in this process. They should always check for safety label, expiration date, and certification mark before purchasing any product. Reporting unsafe or defective goods to authorities help prevent actors from being harmed and encourage stricter oversight of business. By working together, consumer business and government can reduce the spread of unsafe products in the marketplace. So awareness and responsibility from all parties help build a safer environment where people can make purchases with confidence and trust. And then false advertising. False advertising is a deceptive practice that misleads consumers by providing inaccurate or exaggerated information about a product or service. It can take many forms such as fake claim, manipulated images, or hidden claims that make a product appear better than it truly is. This practice can lead consumers to spend money on goods that fail to meet their expectations or even cause harm. This issue not only affects individual consumers but also damages the credibility of the entry marketplace. When buyers lost trust in advertisement, it becomes harder for honest business to compete fairly. False advertising therefore creates an imbalance where unethical companies gain profit at the expense of consumer confidence. To address this problem, government and regulatory agencies enforce strict rules requiring all marketing materials to be truthful and transparent. Companies must ensure that their advertisements accurately reflect the quality, features, and performance of their product. Violation can lead to penalties, product recall, and even legal action. Consumers also have a role in preventing false advertising by staying alert and critical when evaluating promotion contents. They should verify information through reliable source, compare products carefully, and report misleading ads to authorities. Together, etiquette marketing and informed consumers help create a more transparent, honest, and trustworthy marketplace for everyone. And then legal framework and enforcement. Consumer protection law. Consumer protection law from the legal foundation that secure the right of consumer and defines the responsibility of business. This law covers several important areas such as product safety, truthful advertising, accurate labeling, and fair trade practice. Their main goal is to ensure that consumers are treated fairly, receive honest information, and are protected from harm caused by unsafe or defective products. Through this regulation, government aims to prevent exploitation and promote ethical conduct among business. By setting clear standards, the law helps maintain healthy competition and support companies to act responsibly. When business follow this legal principle, consumers and gain confidence in the marketplace knowing that their interests are protected by law. Consumer protection law also serves to uphold public health and welfare by ensuring that only safe and private products reach the market. Strong legal systems help create a balanced and transparent economic where both business and consumer can benefit. Ultimately, this law be the foundation of trust that allow each other to function smoothly and fairly for everyone. And then complaint and resolution mechanisms. Complaint and resolution mechanisms are essential part of consumer protection because they give consumers a clear and fair way to report problems and seek justice when their rights are violated. This system ensures that issues between buyer and seller can be addressed efficiently and transparently. They also promote accountability by reminding business that consumers have the right to speak up when something goes wrong. There are several ways for consumers to file complaints, including through Consumer Service Department, official consumer protection agency, or independent mediation and arbitration service. Each of these channels play a key role in helping both parties reach a fair solution without unnecessary conflict. A good complaint handling system must be accessible, impartial, and efficient so that consumers feel heard and respected. When disputes are resolved properly, trust between consumer and business grows stronger. It also encourages companies to improve their quality of service and maintain ethical practice. In the long run, effective resolution mechanisms not only protect individual consumers but also strengthen the overall integrity of the marketplace. And then enforcement and penalties. Enforcement and penalties are crucial elements in ensuring that consumer protection laws are followed and respected. Enforcement agencies are responsible for monitoring business activities, investigating potential violations, and taking corrective action when necessary. Their presence ensuring that companies operate within the boundaries of the law and treat consumers fairly. This agency has the authority to impose a wide range of penalties on business that break the rules. This can include issuing fines, ordering product recall, suspending business operation, or even pursuing legal action in serious cases. Such penalties are not meant to punish alone, but to deter companies from engaging in unethical or unsafe practice in the future. Through consistent enforcement, government can maintain trust in the marketplace and create a level playing field for all business. Strong enforcement also empower consumers as they know that their rights are actively protected by law. Ultimately, a fair system of enforcement and penalties strengthen public confidence, support ethical business behavior, and contribute to a safer and more transparent economy for everyone. Best practice for consumers. How to identify reliable product. Being able to identify reliable product is one of the most important skills consumers need to protect themselves in the marketplace. Reliable products are those that meet safety standards, provide accurate information, and deliver quality that matches what is advertised. Recognizing this product helps consumers make confident and responsible purchasing decisions. To identify trustworthy products, consumers should start by checking official certification and labels that indicate compliance with safety and quality regulation. Certification from rigorous institutions serve as proof that the product has been tested and meets established standards. Reading product label carefully also provide essential information such as ingredients, manufacturing detail, expiration dates, and proper usage instructions. In addition, consumer can look from product review and recommendation from credible sources. Feedback from other buyers often reveal the real performance of a product beyond what advertisement claim. Trusted website, consumer forum, and verified online marketplace can provide valuable insight before making a purchase. By combining awareness, critical thinking, and access to accurate information, consumer can minimize the risk of buying unsafe or low-quality goods. Taking this small but important step ensuring that every purchase is not only satisfying but also safe and responsible. And then step to take in case of dispute. Dispute between consumer and business can happen for many reasons, such as defective product, misleading information, or poor service. When this problem occurs, it is important for consumer to act wisely and follow the proper step to resolve the issue effectively. A claim and organized approach increases the chance of finding a fair solution. The first step is to gather and keep all evidence related to the transaction. They include receipt, contract, invoice, and any written communication with the seller or service provider. Having clear documentation help protect the consumer claim and provide a solid foundation for negotiation or formal complaints. Next, consumers should try to contact the seller directly and explain the problem clearly and politely. Many businesses are willing to resolve issue quickly to maintain their reputation and customer satisfaction. If the approach does not work, consumer can escalate the matter to consumer protection agencies, mediation service, or small claim court for information assistance. By following this step, consumers show responsibility and understanding of their rights. This process not only helps achieve justice in individual cases but also promotes accountability among business. Effective dispute resolution strengthens trust and accurate fair treatment for all consumers in the marketplace. And then research for customer education. Access to accurate and reliability information is one of the most powerful tools consumers can have. Consumer education provides people with the knowledge and awareness needed to make smart, safe, and informed purchasing decisions. Through the right research, consumers can better understand their right, recognize potential risks, and take action when unfair or unsafe practice occurs. There are many valuable sources of information available for consumers today. Official government websites often publish guidelines, safety alert, and updates about consumer protection law. Specialist organizations such as consumer advocacy groups also offer educational material and assistance to those who appreciate experience problem with product or service. Public awareness campaign, seminar, and online training program further help consumers stay informed about current market issues. Consumers are encouraged to make use of this research regularly, especially before making major purchases or signing contracts. Reading verified review, comparing product information, and learning from credible sources help consumers avoid scam and make better decisions. By actively seeking information, consumers become more confident and independent in the marketplace. Education empowers them not only to protect their own interests but also to contribute to a fairer, more transparent, and responsible trading environment for everyone. And then conclusion. Consumer protection is essential in maintaining fairness, safety, and trust within the marketplace. It ensures that every individual has the right to safe product, honest information, and fair treatment from business. Through strong legal frameworks, strict enforcement, and active consumer awareness, the risk of fraud, false advertising, and used product can be significantly reduced. Effective consumer protection is not only the responsibility of the government but also a solidarity among consumers, business, and society as a whole. Government try to enforce the law. Companies are expected to act ethically and responsibly, while consumers must stay informed, curious, and proactive in protecting their rights. When these three elements work together, the result is a marketplace that operates with integrity and balance. Consumers feel secure and confident, and business gain the trust and loyalty that drive long-term success. In the end, consumer protection is more than just a set of laws. It is the foundation of a fair, transparent, and sustainable economy that benefits everyone. Okay, guys, this is explanation from me. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.